So I have a family experience with Alzheimer's disease and dementia. My mother-in-law started showing some symptoms that at the time we didn't realize were symptoms. And when she was finally diagnosed with having some sort of cognitive impairment, we weren't really prepared for her decline. But if we had an early screen, I think for Carol it could have been different. If you instead could wear a headband and actually get a baseline of your cognitive state at your physician's office, do that maybe when you're 50, do that again when you're 55 and 60, and you can start seeing changes. That might tell you, hey, there's actually something is going on. My name is David Yance. I'm the CEO of Cogware.
My name is Michael Platt, and I'm a neuroscientist and co-founder of Cogware.
We're a brain health company with a mission to improve brain health, peace, and performance. If you're using our headband, you would put our headband on your head, and that's first step. Then you would interact with it through your mobile phone. And essentially what's happening here through a 5-minute measurement is you're working on your phone, interacting with your phone. The headband is sending data to your phone, and after about 5 minutes, our algorithms are processing and giving a score. That score is then shown to you on your mobile device. It's also sent to your clinician as well. So hopefully you can see positive progress through whatever therapeutic process you're going through. Or if you're having a bad day, it can tell you that as well. And it's based upon physiologic information on your brain and quantitative information versus a gut feel.
So the heart of our real technological innovation are these sensors in here, which are dry and they're soft and just provide amazing signal quality that allows us, here it is, very comfortable, lightweight. And now, I can get up, I can walk around, I can run around potentially and get, really, really beautiful clinical grade brain signals from this super comfortable device.
We're very happy to partner with Penn AI Tech to apply our technology to Alzheimer's disease. EEG has been studied for decades on a whole host of people, and specifically we know information about how the brain changes with Alzheimer's disease. We're excited because the funding that we have from AI Tech gives us the ability to go through and bring our version 1.0 of our device and get that to a point where we can use it in clinic. We're going to gather some preliminary information from both healthy patients and patients with Alzheimer's disease to show proof of concept on this. And based upon the data we've seen so far in our prototyping and just from our research, we're excited about this leading to the ability to certainly detect Alzheimer's disease, but then ultimately lead to earlier detection than we have available today. Because we can get clinical grade accuracy, we're intending to go through the FDA and have this cleared as a medical device. And at that point, we'll be able to be used in the medical environments.
I can see a future where people are wearing Cogware to understand their brain states. And it's exciting because our technology is so lightweight, inexpensive ultimately, and simple to use that we can potentially collect data at a scale that hasn't really been done before. I think the opportunity to understand the relationship between brain activity and kind of daily life and daily life activities could be really revolutionary for how we understand Alzheimer's and other brain health disorders.
You'd have the ability to get intervention earlier, be it through lifestyle changes, be it through the promise of new pharmaceuticals coming to market. That's the way that you can potentially give people more life to the years that they have left, and then hopefully give them more years. And that's really ultimately the goal.